Okay, now I'm going to get you to turn yourselves fully around to the right. See, and kind of mark the spot where you see where you go right, and then go to the left and mark the spot where you go to the left, and just kind of do that, and then come back to center. Now lean on your left hand behind you, right? Bring your right arm underneath your chin, just let the elbow dangle down. Good. And turn yourself around to the right with your chin and your arm, and come back to center. And do that about 4 to 6 times. Notice which part of you moves. Are you pressing through one foot more than the other as you do this? Good, and just leave that alone and rest. And then again, leaning on your right arm, left arm behind you. Right arm goes underneath your chin. And turn to the right where it's easy. Stay turned to the right, and only your eyes go right and left. And be gentle with your eyes, because if there's a strain, you can cause a headache. Good, and leave that alone and come back to center and just rest. Noticing any subtle changes. Maybe one side of you is getting taller. Good, and again, leaning on your left hand behind, placing your right hand behind your chin, turning your whole body and arm to the right. Stay turned to the right with your body, and only your head goes now right and left. Good, and just leave that alone and come back to center and just have a rest. Noticing any subtle changes. Maybe that'll be helping necks that are sore too. Good. And then leaning again on your left hand behind. Right hand goes under your chin. And you're going to turn your whole body to the right. And stay twisted to the right in a nice easy fashion, and just rock your pelvis back and forth. So lift one cheek and then the other. Staying twisted to the right. Notice if you're moving your whole head like a pendulum, or can you keep your head still and move your pelvis? Aha! I mean, there's many ways to move, right? And the learning is in trying the different things. Awesome. Good, and leave that alone and come back to center. And just notice if your breathing is different from one side to the other. Notice if there's more pressure on one side of your sitting bone. What about one foot? Can you feel the contact of the floor of one foot more than the other? Excellent. Thank you.